Okay, motion diagram example number 3. So here's the car moving across the screen. I'm going to draw a motion map or motion diagram of the motion. Draw a motion map, Draw a velocity versus time graph of the motion and describe a motion in words. So let's do the animation first. So here's the image that the camera took from all those little ticks of time. Draw the motion diagram. So the motion diagram would look something like this. Here's what happens first with the arrows, and then moving on up. I don't want to draw it one on top of the other, so there's what happens next with the arrows. So I can see in the beginning I'm moving really fast at a constant velocity. My two arrows are the same length, and then I switch directions and move much slower. If I was to draw a velocity versus time graph, so have a velocity and have 0 to begin with, it's moving in the negative direction pretty fast, 2 ticks of time, and then it switches into the positive direction, but it's not going as fast as it was moving in the opposite direction. So my line's going to be closer to the axis. And there's the line drawn closer to the axis. Notice I use a vertical dotted line to connect the two, because in math I can't be in both places at the same time, so that vertical dotted line just means I'm either at the negative velocity or the positive velocity at that instant in time. Notice too, when I've drawn it, this is only 2 ticks of time and the other line is 8 ticks of time, so I've drawn it longer on my diagram. So question number 3, describe the motion in words. Let's see, in words, the car moves quickly in the negative direction as fast at a fast constant velocity for 2 ticks of time, and then suddenly moves in the positive direction at a slower constant velocity for 8 ticks of time.